Our master's program is unique because we welcome students from diverse backgrounds, and we're willing to work with students to craft a curriculum that meets their experience and will satisfy their professional goals. Our master's students will benefit from the facilities we have here. We have an on-site biodiesel production facility. We have an on-site urban agricultural greenhouse. We have an on-site geothermal heating and cooling system, 2 on-site aquaponics systems. We have an on-site environmental testing laboratory. We have an on-site ecotoxicology testing laboratory. We have green roofs and rain capture throughout the campus. And we have a retreat and ecology campus with sustainable farming and restoration work.
Graduates of this program will become leaders in the environmental crisis. These students will be able to work in non-government organizations. They'll be able to work for the federal government, in businesses, helping businesses to have more sustainable practices, and in policy. And these are really the major leverage points for making a sustainable culture. And we want you to help us be a part of this team.